Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how to sketch the graph of an equation by plotting points. Let's begin. To sketch the graph of an equation by plotting points, make a table of values. In the table, one entry should be x is equal to 0. This will be the coordinate where the graph of the equation crosses or touches the vertical axis. So now, I'm going to sketch the graph of the equation y is equal to 3x minus 2. Underneath the equation is a table of values. The first column is labeled x. In this column, I'm going to choose the values of x to substitute into the equation. And I'm going to choose 0, like I mentioned earlier. And then I'm going to select -1, -2, 1, and 2, because these values of x are close to the origin. So now I'm going to substitute these values of x into the equation, starting with -2. So we have 3 times -2 minus 2, and that's going to be -6 minus 2, which is -8. So one of the coordinates that lies in the graph of the equation is -2, -8. Next, I'm going to evaluate this equation when x is equal to -1. And that is going to be 3 times -1 minus 2, which is -3 minus 2, which is -5. So another coordinate that lies on the graph of this equation will be -1, -5. And now I'm going to go ahead and evaluate the last 3 values of x. Now, I have 5 points that I'm going to plot on the Cartesian plane. Starting with -2, -8, that is going to be in quadrant 3. Then we have -1, -5, 0, -2, 1, 1, and 2, 4. Notice that these 5 ordered pairs form a line, so I'm going to draw a straight line through all 5 points. And I'm going to put arrows on each ends of this line because this line extends indefinitely in either direction. And that is the graph of y is equal to 3x minus 2. And we are done.